Hello all, one more time I'm going to share with you how to remove a rounded bolt like this, because due to some mistake you cannot remove it anymore with key 15. Then you need to use something like this to remove it. By the way, it is 15, but the shape is not good anymore, as you can see, and we need something like this to remove it. So I need the key 15, this one. You see the shape, and we need to put it here. You need to put it here, and we need to use something like this. Then when we use something like this, you need to be really deep inside like this. Then you need to take a back side like this. Okay, to put here. And I hope that if you want, you can make it warm. You can make this place warm to remove it so easily. So I'm going to try with backside to see if backside will be able to remove it. Let's go. You see, it is so easy. But if you want to use normal, key, something like this, you won't be able to remove it so easily. So just want to share with you, because you can have this problem one day. You use something like this. I hope that you are able to see it. You use something like this, and inside the shape is not so. The shape will be always like this. And if you have issue with any bolt, you use them. You use them to release it. You have all side of bolt. You have all side here. This one is 8. And now the next thing that I need to do is to try to release it now. I just need to release this one now. Okay. I just share all videos with you so that maybe it can help someone to solve some issue. So now I need to hide it like this. So I release it, and that is it. I hope that yes. Okay, it is just what I want to share with you. Like and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe for another video. Have a nice day. I hope that you learned something. Bye.